Are you looking for the best electric guitars? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best electric guitars on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Fender American Performer Stratocaster. Depending on what music you prefer, if you're looking to make a serious investment in your love for the guitar as an instrument, it's hard to go wrong with the Fender Stratocaster. It's the tool of choice for all sorts of players and styles, including Jimi Hendrix, David Gilmour, Stevie Ray Vaughan, Mark Knopfler, John Mayer, and Buddy Guy. Rock legends like Tom Morello and the late Eddie Van Halen famously used slightly modified versions of the Strat to craft their unique signature sounds. This gorgeous American performer has a lot to offer, starting with a beautiful rosewood fretboard for a dark, warm tone. Lighter maple necks are known for their brighter, more jangly notes. It's only one variable in a series of many, but it's a key factor in any guitar's overall output. It also has an alder body, a maple neck, and an old-school tremolo arm. When you buy an American Strat, you're getting peerless comfort, which makes long play sessions a joy. It's been one of the best guitars on the market since 1954. Number 2. Fender Player Telecaster. If you're looking for a little more country twang or that jangly sound you hear in a lot of 80s new wave and 90s pop rock, the Telecaster is the first thing you want in your arsenal. Add all the chorus, delay, or overdrive you can handle. The sound of a well-made Tele will still be unmistakable. This is the Fender guitar you hear on tracks like Rage Against the Machine's Killing in the Name, Pink Floyd's Run Like Hell, Springteen's Glory Days, and Message in a Bottle by the Police. The Player Telecaster series is manufactured in Mexico, which means you're getting some really high-quality parts in your guitar without paying the price you'd pay for an American-made model. Like many Strats, this Fender also has an alder body and maple neck. If an American guitar is outside of your budget, a Mexican Tele could be the next best thing. Provided you're not looking for a thicker, more Gibson-like sound, think Aerosmith, Rush, or Black Sabbath. Number 3. Ibanez JEMJRWH Steve Vai Signature. If you're a metalhead, this affordably priced Steve Vai Signature from Ibanez is the one to go for if you intend to shred hard on a budget. It may require a little setup work from your local luthier, but it'll have you playing all your favorite hard rock riffs in style and sounding phenomenal. The Tree of Life inlays along the fretboard are the signature mark of any authentic Vai model, and they look amazing in person. This one has a mahogany body and a maple neck. If the name Steve Vai doesn't sound familiar to you, fire up the theme song from Halo 2 or For the Love of God, one of the most iconic guitar instrumentals of all time. If your tendency is to be a bit of a show-off, you're in good company with Vai. His Floyd Rose whammy bar and excessive number of frets will let you deploy a wide range of notes and tap-style effects. Number 4. ESP LTD EC 256 Electric Guitar. ESP LTD models are a common recommendation at guitar shops, extra affordable and perfect for a beginner looking to play some chunky riffs, join a band as the rhythm guitarist, or simply take up a new hobby. Led Zeppelin, AC/DC, Boston. Just about any great 6-string guitar riff is going to sound great with an LTD, a decent distortion pedal, and the right amplifier. Think of it as a budget-friendly alternative to the Gibson Les Paul or Epiphone Les Paul. It's got a similar body shape. Made of mahogany and oak, this stylish black model comes with a 3-way switch, 2 humbucker pickups, 2 volume controls, and a tone knob, which is similar to a lot of the more expensive Les Paul-style guitars from Gibson or Epiphone. It's got a rosewood fretboard and a mahogany neck. You can set one pickup for rhythm strumming and the other for lead fills, or play around to create funky tremolo effects with the switch. If you just want a fun guitar to noodle around with at a lower price point, this one's perfect for that. Number 5. Gretsch G5220 Electromatic Jet. There's something about a Gretsch that speaks to certain players. From their 50s stylings to their association with rockabilly and jazz, they're undeniably cool. They sound great. They're a fusion of vintage mojo and modern versatility. Everybody from Tom Petty to Jack White to the virtuoso who gives lessons at your local music shop seems to have preferred them at one point or another. This particular Gretsch Electromatic has a few subtle design choices that give it a modern look, and the dual humbuckers look should be able to handle a lot of gain and distortion. If you want to craft a sound that's all your own drenched in fuzz or clean as a whistle, this could be the perfect foundation. Reviewers say they love the value in this one. It's made mostly of mahogany, with a walnut fretboard. This is a mid-range instrument manufactured in China, but take it to your luthier for a thorough setup and it may be the only guitar you ever need.